Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to spot a fake TV before buying. So if you're planning to go to the market to purchase a TV of any brand of your choice, then you want to make sure you watch this video to the end so that you do not get scammed by one of these retailers out there or purchase a TV that does not even have a recognized manufacturer. Now, as someone that has been working with smart TVs for over a year now, trust me, there are tons of fake TVs out there. And if you do not have any information about TVs generally, you are most likely going to be getting a fake TV, or at least a TV that does not have a recognized manufacturer. And that is particularly why I am making this video. Now, without wasting much of your time, one of the easiest ways to recognize a fake TV before buying is the model number. Now, usually on the cartons or packaging of any TV or brand of TV you're buying, you're going to see the model number clearly written on the body of the packaging box. And if you open up the TV and remove it from the packaging box, you're also going to see that same model number at the back of the TV. Now, this is actually for you to be able to recognize and be sure that the TV you're getting is particularly the same model of TV that is inside of the box of that particular TV. So you always want to make sure that the model number on the packaging box of your TV corresponds with the model number at the back of the TV. If you're finding a model number that is different from what is written on the packaging box at the back of the TV, then trust me, you're most likely getting a fake TV. Now, another reason why most manufacturers choose to put their model number at the back of the TV is for you to be able to recognize and be able to search for that particular type of TV. So after finding out the model number at the back of your TV, you also want to make sure you do a quick Google search. Just go over to Google, type that particular model number and the brand of the TV. Trust me, you're definitely going to see that TV online. Most of these manufacturers like LG, Samsung, Hisense have their specific websites, and in this website they usually put all of the information about a particular TV online for people to be able to see and make their research. You're also going to find things like the type of Bluetooth, the number of HDMI inputs that is supported in that particular TV, and you also want to make sure you check all of that on the body of your TV before actually taking it home. Another way to spot a fake TV before buying is the brand of TV and the operating system it comes with. Now, most of the major brands of TV has a specific operating system that their TV runs with. For instance, Samsung actually uses what is called the Tizen operating system, and once you turn on any original Samsung TV, you're going to see the Samsung logo and you're also going to see the Tizen operating system logo. Now, for LG, it is the WebOS operating system, so you're going to see the LG logo and the WebOS operating system logo as well. And for Hisense, you're going to see the Vida, which is actually the operating system that most Hisense TV runs on. Now, you really have to be careful in this particular case because sometimes these fake TV manufacturers go up to the point of giving you a very weak operating system that is not actually supported by the original manufacturers. And just so you know, Tizen operating system is the only operating system that Samsung uses. So if you see a Samsung TV that runs on any operating system that is not Tizen, then it is most likely fake. LG also has the WebOS, and that is the only operating system they use. For Hisense, they have some Hisense TVs that run the Vida operating system, and then there is some that run the Android operating system, the Google operating system, and even the Roku operating system, depending on your region. But if you find any Hisense TV that does not run under any of these operating systems, then trust me, you're getting a fake TV. Now, for other brands of TVs like Skyworth, TCL, Sony, usually they run on the Android or the Google operating system. Trust me, if your TV does not run on either the Android or the Google operating system, you're also most likely getting a fake TV. Now, this is actually one of the surest and easiest way. You just have to be sure that that brand of TV supports the particular operating system that it comes with. Now, in addition to all of this, another easy way to spot and recognize a fake TV is the dimensions of the TV. Now, most of the time, these fake TV manufacturers go to the point of giving you a TV dimension that does not correspond with what is written in the box. So for instance, you might be wanting to buy a 55-inch TV and they will go ahead to give you a 50-inch TV because they know that the difference between these sizes of TVs are not a lot. So usually it is important that you measure the dimensions of your TV before actually buying it. The way you measure the dimension of your TV is to basically just check from the top of one end of the TV to the bottom of the other end of the TV. Once you measure it and it corresponds, then you're getting an original TV. But if it does not match the size that is written on the box of that particular TV, then you might be running the risk of getting a fake TV. Now, finally, another easy way to spot a fake TV is the absence of a power button on the TV. Now, every TV actually has a power button. Usually it is found on the bottom center of the TV, or in some brands of TV you're going to find it on the bottom right or the bottom left, sometimes at the back of the TV depending on the brand of TV you get. But if your TV does not have any power button, then trust me, it is a fake TV. The reason is because having a button is actually a standard for all TVs, and any TV that does not have a button is most likely not a recognized TV and a fake one. So you always want to look out for the power button on your TV, and trust me, that is actually a very good way to spot a fake TV if you get one. Now, before ending the video, if you want to get an original TV and not some of these fake TVs that is sold by retailers all over the world, an easy way to kill any doubts is to basically get from a recognized distributor of that particular brand of TV. So usually most of these TV brands have a recognized distributor within every country, and you always want to make sure that you buy directly from the recognized distributor, as that is most likely the only way you can be sure of getting an original TV and not something that is refurbished or even something that is fake and not recognized by that brand of TV. And that will be all on today's video, guys. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.